What's up guys? So in today's video I want to tell you what you need to know about forex trading. I've seen a lot of guys online claiming to be forex experts that they manage forex accounts, but then I feel this is the right time to really advise you guys about forex trading because I'm not an expert by myself, but I've had up to 2 years trading experience. I feel you guys really need to know some things about this cool way to make money online, so that you won't fall into the hands of a lot of scammers out there that are looking for people that are new in the trading system, looking for people they will scam in the form of investments or whatever. So the first thing you need to know about forex trading is that it's a double-edged sword. Really, it's a double-edged sword. It can give you a good amount of money within a short space of time, the same way it can take away other money. Forex is very, very risky. Once you log into any broker site, the first thing you're going to see there is that trading in the forex market is very risky, so you should be aware of that. Most times you see all those supposed experts that are claiming to know it all, showing you their trades, where they are making millions, where they are making all of that. But one thing you don't know is that they are not showing you all their losses. So you need to know that in as much as they're making good money there, they also lose big money. It's not just all about those big profits you are seeing there. It's really a very big risky venture to go into, so you should know that and also be aware of it. Number two, I feel it's very, very important for you, if you ever intend to invest your money into forex trading, whether you be the one trading your account by yourself or you intend to give someone your money to trade for you. I think it's very, very important for you to first of all truly understand what forex is all about. All those successful traders we are seeing, those really big forex traders we are seeing that make thousands of dollars, millions of dollars daily or monthly, they've been on it for years. Those huge profits you are seeing, there's a lot of so many years of practice, so many years of learning, and so many years of mistakes. That's what you are seeing there. So they didn't just start any day and start making all those kind of money. If you intend to even give someone your money, it's very, very important that you also learn at least the basics of forex trading, so that you know what person you are giving your money is actually trying to do with your money. Why it's also important that you learn at least the basics of forex is that it also makes it easier for you to understand the process your money is going through. Any person that is pitching his or her businesses to you, you understand what exactly they are trying to do with your money before you give them your money. Most of those individuals that I see asking people to invest with them, that they manage forex accounts and they promise huge returns, there's no legal backing to those business relationships. People just give them their money with hope that at the end they are going to make good profits. So for you to get the right amount of information so that you understand the basics of forex very well, I recommend some certain sites for you, because there's a lot of noise out there, so many people claiming they are experts, and at the end they don't really have much to offer. The first site I would recommend you visit if you really want to learn what forex is about and understand the basics very well is babypapes.com. They are not paying me, this is not a sponsored video, but I've used them by myself. I have their PDF, I use it. They are very, very good in breaking down everything forex is all about. I must say they have very good writers there. They have a lot of articles, a lot of materials for you, both as a beginner, as an intermediate trader, and as an advanced trader. They have a lot of resources for everyone. Check out babypapes.com. Over there you access a lot of materials you need to know to understand the basics of forex. Another place you can also get valuable resources are through broker sites. Yes, a lot of brokers also have their education section in their website where you access materials, a lot of them about forex trading. They also host webinars where educators host webinars to educate traders on how to trade forex, on so many things about forex trading. So you go to their websites, download their ebooks. If you are the type that prefer videos, all those brokers, they still have their YouTube channels, so you can go back to their YouTube channel and download their videos or watch their videos. Download them and watch at your convenience. So they have a lot of materials over there that can help you from the very basics of what forex is, definition of important terms in forex, to the advance of building forex strategies and adopting a very specific kind of strategy for advanced traders. They have everything there on their YouTube channel, so you go over there. For example, I've used that of forextime.com, fxtm.com, I've used that of xm.com, I've used that of hot forex. All these brokers that I just mentioned now, they have very nice educative resources that you can have access to and learn everything you need to know about forex trading. Number three, the best way to make money in forex trading, if you don't want to be a forex trader yourself, is to invest in PAM accounts. PAM accounts are special accounts created by brokers whereby people give out their trading accounts to a funds manager that will pull those funds together and trade for them for a given percentage. When you open a palm account, you register under an account manager. The person will be trading with your accounts, be managing your funds for you. At the end of the month, he will take a certain percentage of the profits he has made from your account. One good thing about having a palm account is that everything is coordinated by the broker. This is quite different from the case of you giving out your money to someone, so to an individual that you barely know, to trade for you, and at the end of the month the person will transfer your money to you. In the case of a palm account, there are some certain advantages. The broker will be the one to list the fund managers. They have the page where they list the fund managers and their reviews. They will list all their performances over there, and have the opportunity to look at the performance of those funds managers and decide which one best suits your investment criteria. Another key benefit of using a palm account is that you are in total control of your accounts. You'll be the one to set your own limits, set the amount you want to lose per trade. The only thing the fund manager can do is place trades with your account, but they don't have access to your money. Another really important thing I want to say is that if you really want to invest in an individual's account, if you want to give your money out to an individual to trade for you in the forex market, it's very important that you do due diligence on the credibility of the person you are giving your money to. You don't just base your investment decisions off what the person is posting on their WhatsApp status or in their website, of the screenshots they are posting over there. Let me tell you the truth, most of them just post a currently running trade that's still running. They post that, okay, this trade is running and I'm already making $100, $1,000 of this trade. But if it's still an open trade, it's not their money yet. The open trade that has a profit of $1,000 can in the next 5 minutes be running on a loss of $2,000. It's very important that you do due diligence on the person that you are investing your money with. Ask them of their trading history, ask them of their account history, let them print their account statements and show it to you, so that you will see their performances over time. You see their 6 months performance, their 1 year performance. These are the things the brokers also list on their palm accounts. These are the things they are also going to show you if you want to invest in a palm account. Study their accounts yourself. Know what they've actually made in the past 6 months. Know what they've actually made in the past 1 year. All these things will help you to know if they are truly what they are claiming to be. Be careful out there and know who you give your money to. It's very, very, very important. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, like it, and share with your friends. A lot of people really need to be aware on how to go about investing their money in forex trading if they don't really want to be a trader by themselves. There's a lot of noise. A lot of people claim to be the pro, expert traders and all that. Just be careful. If this is your first time in this channel, click the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that little bell button down there so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. If there's any other kind of video you want me to upload, probably about forex trading, drop them in the comment section. If you have any question about investing your money in forex trading, drop it in the comment section below. I will start responding to comments in the next 1 hour. See you in my next video.